Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. This is the part 2 tutorial of Kotlin Crud using prepare statement. If you are not watched my previous video of how to add the records, please watch them and come to this tutorial, right? So this is a part 2 tutorial. So today I am going to show you how to view the records, right, from the SQLite database. So let's go to the app folder. Here I am going to create right click new. I am going to create the empty activity here, empty activity. Here we have to give the name as activity name as view. Click finish. Right, now your view has created successfully here. Now first what I am going to do is here, before we have to go to first we have to design the view, right? So first we have to go to the RS folder. So it is created still, right? It's created. Now go to the layout. Here activity view.xml, double click on this one. Here it's an empty one. Now go to the text. Here I am going to first the same thing. We have to make this one as a linear layout, right? Here also we have to write here as a orientation vertical and gravity. We have to write gravity center, right? Gravity center is not must. We have to put it right. Now here what I am going to do is here, I am going to write another linear layout. Inside this linear layout, we have to design another linear layout. Here we have to write this one thing, match parent. This is match parent, right? Not wrap content, match parent. Okay. Here I am going to not do any things here. Here only write this one, right? List view only. So you have to write here as match parent. So here we have to write the list view, right? Inside here we have to write the list view, right? So here we have to write here is we have to write list view, right here, list view, match parent. You have to give the match parent. That's it. You have to give the name of the list view. So give the list ID, Android ID. Here we have to write list1, right? This is the list view, right? So list1, right? This is list view. Okay, it's working perfectly well. Here it's corrected successfully. Here this is a list view, right? Simple. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here we have to right, perfect, right? Design was perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, I designed the list view successfully. Design is over. Now let's back to our Java here, Java folder. This is the coding part. So first go to view view here. We have to click on this package, right click, new. I am going to create the Java class, right? We have to create the Java class first, right? This is very important stuff to create the Java class. Let's create the Java class as student. Click OK. Right. Now here we have to write the properties here, right? First string ID, here we have to write string ID, string name, string course, string fee, finally a string titles. Right. Now what I am going to do is go back to our view here, right? Now here we have to do the things, right? So here first I am going to write the titles, right? Here I am going to view the records from the database. So here we have view the records from the database and to this list view, right? So first I am going to write here. You write internal. Here we have an internal var. Write the titles. We have write this array list. We have to create the array list here. Array list. This array list, right? Kotlin array list. Here we have to write a string. This is string type. Array list string. Right, that's the thing we have to write. Okay, this is how we have to create the array list, right? Array list which we have to display the records, right? Hit all the records and display, right? Collection of records coming, it is displayed, right? So we have to This is must when you display the records. Array list we have to create. After that, inside the function we have to write here. We have to create the val db. We no need to create the database again. Database name again. We already wrote here. Go back to my main activity. Here, this is the one, right? DB, the same thing. This database we have to control C to copy. The same database we have to paste it. This one. We no need to write again by again, right? Very simple, right? Var db. So already we have written this code in our last tutorial, right? This one, right? db. This is the database, right? We have to view the record, so we have to write like this, right? After that, what I am going to do is we have to write the val function. Val list1. So create the variable list1. Find view by id. Find view by id. We have to write here r dot id dot list1. Right. This is the name which we given, right? When you create the list, this is the name, right? List, this id, right? List view, right? So we have to get it here, right? Here as list view. You have to give like this. Now the error go away. Now what I am going to do is here, you have to write val c equal db dot row query. Here we have to write select all from records, database records, right? Comma. This thing you have to now put it like this. Perfect. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, we have to columns. What are the columns available? So we have to id. It should be the auto increment part. So here c dot get column index. Here you have to write id. First one should be id. Same thing. Control C to copy. Control V to paste below. Right. This one should be name. Here also name. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. The same name you have to give here. What is the name you have given here? This is the name. This is your field names. Okay. The same name you are given. Then only it will work. ID, name, course, and fee. Right. These are the names we have to add the records into the database. These columns names. Right. The same name you have to give here. Otherwise it won't work. Right. Second one should be the course. Third one should be the fee, right? If the single spelling mistake, it won't work, right? So here also we have to course fee, right? Here right like this. Perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, we have to title this array. We have to first clear. Control C to copy this array variable. Get it here. Dot clear first. Clear. Right. Perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, we have to write the var. We have to get the variable array adapter. We have to create the array adapter. This array adapter. Right. Array adapter here. This one. Array adapter equal array adapter here we have to write this keyword this comma you have to write r dot layout dot support this one what items comma this title control C to copy, control V to paste here. This is the output. Okay. Now after that what I am going to do is here we have to display the record into list view. What's the name of the list view? This one. List view. This one. This list view we have to assign to this variable. The variable you have to get it here. List view 1 dot set adapter. Set adapter. Set adapter. So right set adapter. You have to pass the array list. This array adapter. That's the thing we have to do. After that we have to write well. We have to create the variables stud equal array list. What? That's it. You have to write this one should be the student. That is we have to make the asset. We have to change this thing as student. student mean this one. What's the name? You have give the class name, this class name, all the properties should be there. You have to get it here. The same name you have typed here. Okay, student, right? This class we have created, right? Earlier, right? Now here what I am going to do is we have to loop it, right? If c dot move first, move to first, right? Now here we have to do the this one. Do while loop, right? Do you write the while loop here. Do while. You have tried to do while here, right? So you write c dot move to next. This one, right? This is the do while, right? Now here what I am going inside this do, we have write well. Let's get the effect stu equals student. After that we have write stu dot id. This is coming from this id. All the things are coming from this class, right? This all the properties are coming, right? Understand that, right? Okay. Now here c dot get string id. After that same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste it. This one should be st name. Here also get string name. After the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste it. This one should be course. Here also same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste it. Course. Same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste. This one should be fee. The same fee, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Right, that's the thing here, right? Now here we have got say stud dot add. Here we have write this one. This name, control C to copy, control V to paste. Right, that's the thing we have write. Finally, what I am going to do is we have write titles dot add. Here we have write c dot get string the id plus here we have write so write this t, right? Okay. Now what I am going to do is here the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be name, control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be course. The same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be name course fee. Right, that's the thing we have right here. Right, now here fee. After that we have to remove the statement, we no need. Right, that's the thing we have to write. Okay, perfect. Now what I am going to do is this is the thing we have to write. Finally we have to this one while loop. Next we have to write here array adapter. This array adapter, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Dot notify changed. Right, that's the thing we have to write. Now here we have to write list. We have to write list one. This one list one dot invalidate view. Right, that's it. Very simple code. We have tried like this. Okay. Now what I am going to do is we have to execute the program and check. Before that, what I am going to do is here go to the main this one. Here we have to give the link. Right. So how to give the link here is, so let's go to the text here. Sorry, main activity. This main activity. So when you click that button, it goes to the view page. So main activity we have to we have to get the button here, right? So this button here, right? b2 dot set on click listener, set on click listener. We have to write open and close bracket. Here we have to write intent, right? We have to write the intent, right? How to write the intent on Kotlin program? Var equal I, sorry, not var, val equal I equal intent. You have to write here application context, comma, which form we are visit view. So we have to write view. We have to write here. We have to write another colon class java. Right, like this. Right, you have right. Okay, this is simple. Now you have to this one, you have to select this one, alt and enter. Then only enter will be recognized right here. Right here, what is the problem? Application content view of this one. Class.java. Now here you have right. Start activity. Start activity. Here call this right. And that's the thing we have got. Now what's the problem here? It's not simple. So what's the problem? The problem is the space is the problem, right? Then now it's the problem will be solved. Now let's execute the program and check, right? Now let's run and check. You have to wait until the gradle is finished. Now let's check. Okay, if you click view, here it's Dawn is there, right? It's working perfect. Now let's run. Let's again run it, and we will check, right? Now here. Now I'm going to add another record. Here I'm on James. James, right? Here write James course PHP fee 13,000. Click save. It's working. After that, Raja VB 12,000. After that, name Ramesh 14,000. Course Photoshop for 14,000. Click save. Right, I added some records here. Now let's click view. Here all records should be, you can able to view the list view successful. I hope you guys understood the things well. If you have any doubt on Kotlin Crud using prepare statement, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.